Welcome to P3M.ai, where learning gets attention. Today, we're going to talk about a really important question for every school. How can you improve student well-being in your school using P3M.ai? P3M.ai is an AI-powered platform designed to provide a comprehensive, data-based approach to enhancing student well-being. It moves beyond traditional methods, offering smart tools for easy observation, targeted intervention, and continuous improvement. This helps students grow and teachers guide them better, ultimately fostering overall student skills and supporting students' inner strength in student development. Before we dive into the demo, let's first define how we are measuring this important part of education, student well-being. For this, we've broken it down into two key sets of parameters: student skill tracker and student inner strengths. Our student well-being toolkit comes with everything you need: predefined parameters along with criteria and expectations, pre-created observation forms, and an additional category for mindset tracking. Okay, let's break down how we organize our observations for student well-being with parameters, criterion, and expectations. Think of it like a clear, step-by-step guide to measuring student growth. Parameters are the big main areas of student well-being we want to look at. For each big parameter, like thinking skills, or integrity or honesty, we have smaller, more specific rules or points to check, called criterion. And for each criterion, we have 5 clear levels of what we expect to see, rated from 1 to 5. These are the expectations. These levels make our ratings very specific and easy to understand for everyone. Now, let's look at how we apply these standards during an observation. P3M.ai gives us incredible flexibility in creating observation forms. You can craft a full audit, what we call a packed audit, by selecting all parameters and criteria for a comprehensive review of a student's well-being. Packed audits get their own dedicated tracking tab on our dashboard for easy oversight. Or, for ongoing development or focused check-ins, you can opt for partial audits. These are perfect for observing specific areas of well-being over a period, giving us targeted insights. Once you've made a form, we then plan when to do the observation. Our app supports 4 distinct types of observations for student well-being: internal, done by school staff; external, for parents; peer, for students to observe each other; and self, empowering students to self-assess their own well-being. You can even add different weightages to each observation type, showing how much it counts. This flexibility is a huge advantage, as it lets us fit different needs and school policies. Once an observation is scheduled, the process is incredibly intuitive and rich with detail. You can easily rate each criterion using our 1 to 5 scale for student well-being. Very importantly, you can add detailed comments for every single rating. These comments provide the essential context, the why, behind the number. To make it even stronger, you can also upload proof right into the form, whether it's a student's project showcasing teamwork or a reflection journal entry. This way of rating right away with full comments means we get rich, helpful feedback that goes beyond just numbers, providing truly actionable insights for student development. Now, let's look at anecdotal records, a powerful part of our application that helps us track and manage performance over time using our multiple observations matrix. We can track different types of observations, like student skills or strength records, at a preset frequency like monthly, weekly, or even daily. You can see all your students listed, and for each student, you can track their progress across many different skills or strengths over time. When you record an observation, it's very easy to provide clear feedback. You can choose the expectation level from 1 to 5 stars. Each star rating clearly links to a specific description of what that level means. The moment an observation is complete, you can instantly share it and create a report. The report captures the main points from the observation, clearly listing all the ratings and comments about student well-being. But here's where P3M.ai truly shines. We also provide an AI report. This smart computer looks at what's expected and links it with your inputted comments to give a deep look into the observation. Your detailed comments are super important here, as they help our AI understand the small details and provide the most exact, meaningful analysis possible. This means quick feedback for students and teachers, helping them learn and grow faster. Now, let's talk about how we drive actual improvement in student well-being. You can go to our task manager to make new tasks or even create your own special task templates that perfectly fit with your school's goals for student well-being and development. This whole process is built on the idea of action research. This means our teachers and students get to plan their improvements, act on them, observe the results, and then reflect on what worked. It's a continuous cycle that empowers them to study and improve their own development in a smart, data-driven way. This is a huge step forward. It means quick and focused help. So, how do we track if our students are genuinely improving their well-being over time? This is where our P3M.ai dashboard comes in. It's your central hub for all student well-being observation data and progress tracking. Right here on the dashboard, you get a clear, easy to understand view of everything. You can see how well each student is doing, how different student skill and inner strength areas are performing, and track the task completion rates to see if the interventions are working. This dashboard gives you up-to-the-minute info on student well-being and how well our support is working, letting us make quick and smart decisions. And for a deeper look at long-term growth, you can jump to our over-the-time report directly from the dashboard. Using AI, you get a rich summary of progress, or follow each student's or well-being area's performance over any period. This lets us clearly see growth, spot trends, and truly celebrate successes in student development. Use AI to get an enriched summary of progress, or track each teacher or parameter's performance over a specific period. This allows us to visualize growth, identify trends, and truly see the impact of our efforts. Finally, to truly build a culture of shared learning and continuous improvement around student well-being, we've added a social feature. This is a special place for our teachers to work together, share good ideas, ask questions, and celebrate achievements related to student development. It also allows students to share their journey and reflections. It changes observation from just checking boxes to a true team effort for student success. This builds a stronger school community, promoting shared learning and positive student outcomes. In conclusion, P3MI isn't just another tool, it's a complete system designed to truly transform how we build better education and support student holistic development. We've seen today how it allows us to improve in 4 clear phases: observe, intervene, monitor, and growth. We start by observing student well-being, using a carefully structured toolkit with both skill tracker and inner strength parameters, detailed criterion, and clear expectation levels. Next, we intervene. The instant reports give us deep understanding, and our action research approach empowers us for immediate, targeted help. Then, we monitor student progress directly from our powerful dashboard, tracking performance and task completion, with comprehensive, over-the-time reports for long-term insights. Finally, all this leads to growth. P3M.ai helps us foster continuous development, ensuring every student has the support and insights to reach their full potential. By bringing together objective data, personalized interventions, and clear progress tracking, P3M.ai empowers you to measure, intervene, monitor, and grow effectively. It's how we ensure the highest quality of education for every student in your school. Ready to revolutionize student growth and elevate education quality in your school? Get P3M.ai today.